How far my people, how una dey? A lot of people don dey ask me shey we fit buy Luna, shey we fit buy Luna. Well, na my own little sense for you be dis. Before you buy Luna, abeg try dey do your research well. No go dey follow any influencers, make dem no use you do liquidity exit. Na my warning be dat, number one warning. Two, try dey follow up with the company update, wetin dey sup with the token, why you need to buy am. No think say because you dey hear am your influencers dey talk about am, your favorite influencers, na why you sef you wan buy am. Dem go use do liquidity exit, dem go use you cash out. Yeah, na my own little advice for you be dis. One, Luna na very good project. Dem get their own ecosystem. Many projects dey build on dem, you understand, and many tokens don build on dem. So dem no wan disappoint dis their investors and the companies wey collaborate with dem. Shey you get? Like dis now wey Luna supply don enter 6 trillion of Luna. Imagine say you know say before Luna go fit touch $1 back, e gats do 6 trillion market cap, wey be say go need overcome Bitcoin, which is not possible. All of us know dat one. But recently I hear say dem dey burn the token to reduce the supply. Yeah, but na the thing be dis, before you buy dis Luna, do your research. Wetin dis people dey try do back to recover? Shey dem go fit recover with the idea wey dem just bring, wey the CEO just talk about? Ask yourself, because no just go dey think say dis thing people dey talk about am, na why I wan put money. You go just lose money. Na why you need mentorship, make you learn dis thing well, make you understand am. Before you invest in anything, first try dey do your research. Shey you dey get my point? And again, if you wan invest money, make sure say na money wey say if you lost am, e no go pain you at all. Luna go come back, Luna no go come back, but at least you go know say you don understand wetin you dey invest on, and you know the outcome. Anything fit happen because na volatile market we dey. Shey you get? Na volatile market we dey. So for now, Luna still dey try their best to come back, give you people back that value and the trust. Shey you understand? But the thing wey me I go tell you to do na to put eyes on the project, lis ten to news, wetin dey go on. Shey you understand? E no pass like that. I no be financial adviser. I no ask you to go buy Luna. Do wetin you like with your money.